Make a great choice today with the 2024 E-350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.